أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا تبطلوا صدقاتكم بالمن والأذى كالذي ينفق ماله رئاء الناس ولا يؤمن بالله واليوم الآخر فمثله كمثل صفوان عليه تراب فأصابه وابل فتركه صلدا لا يقدرون على شيء مما كسبوا والله لا يهدي القوم الكافرين. صدق الله العظيم. This is verse number 264 of Surah Al-Baqarah. As we know that in this section Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala states the merits of spending in the way of Allah, as well as the conditions of acceptance in the sight of Allah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala explains some conditions. If these conditions followed by the spender, then their spending will be acceptable, will be accepted in the sight of Allah. So now Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in this present verse that Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu la tubtilu sadaqatikum bil manni wal adha. O those who believe, do not nullify your acts of charities bil manni wal adha, by reminders of favor or by injury, meaning by causing hurt. It means that if you give charity, then you follow your charity by harm or by reminders. So in this case, your charity will be wasted. There will be no reward for it. So normally, people, they waste their charities by two ways. One is verbally. Someone gives charity to another person, then he reminds him that I have given you such and such charity before. So it is the wasting of charity verbally by causing your favor to be known. Second, wasting of charity practically, meaning by causing pain. When you helped a poor person, you have given him a charity. Then, for example, there is a needy poor person in your relatives. You helped him. Then later on, you try to hurt him in any way. So it means you are wasting your charity which you have given to him. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that do ya ayyuhalladhina amanu, or those who believe, la tubtilu sadaqatikum bil manni wal adha. Do not waste, do not nullify your charities, your acts of charities, bil manni, by boasting about favor, wal adha, or by causing pain. Why? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, if, O believers, if you spend in the way of Allah, if you give charity to someone, then you remind him of your generosity, of your favor, or you cause him hurt, or you cause pain. So it is like the person who spend his wealth to show off to the people. Just as Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not accept the charity of that person who spends just for the showment, not for the sake of Allah, not for the pleasure of Allah, but he spends his wealth to gain reputation of being kind or generous. Similarly, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not accept the charity of that person, of that believer, who gives charity, but later on he reminds people of his generosity, of his favor, or later on he causes people pain. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that, O believers, do not nullify your charities bil manni wal adha, by reminders or harm, like the person who spend his wealth to show off the people, and he does not believe in Allah in the last day. Like this is the habit of a hypocrite person. A hypocrite person spends money to show the people that he is doing this just for the sake of Allah, but in reality he does not seek the pleasure of Allah, but in reality he seeks to gain people's praise and the reputation of being kind and generous, or he wants to gain other material gains of this life. All the while he does not think about Allah or gaining his pleasure. That is why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, do not waste your charities like the person who spends his wealth to show off to people and does not believe in Allah and the last day. Then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala elaborates by giving an example. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that the person who spends his wealth to show off the people, or the person who gives charity but later on he reminds the people his generosity, his favor, or he causes people, is like a stone, a rock, on which there is a dust, a little just dust. So if a person sows a seed and this dust which is on the rock, smooth rock, then a heavy rain comes over it. So and this heavy rain leaves it barren. So like here, a person sows a seed and a dust, a little amount of dust. So it is clear that a seed does not grow in such a little amount of dust. Then a heavy rain falls on it, and this heavy rain leaves this rock clear and barren. Similarly, if a person, so look here, planting or putting a seed, it is like spending the money in the way of Allah. Then following by reminders or following by hurt or spending money just for the showment is like a heavy rain. So just as a heavy rain destroys the seed which was sod and dust, similarly showment or reminding the people his favor or injuring them, it is like a heavy rain. These three things destroys the charity, the spending in the way of Allah. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, those who do not believe in Allah and they spend their money just for the showment, they have no ability to gain anything out of what they have done. Meaning they cannot gain the reward from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Similarly, those people who spend their wealth in the way of Allah or they give charity, but later on they remind the people their favors, or later on they injure other people, they causes pain to the people, so their wasting their charities, their spending their charities are in vain. There is no benefit for that in the hereafter. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the last sentence, Wallahu la yahdi al-qawm al-kafirin. Allah does not give guidance to the disbelieving people. It means that the Quranic guidance is universal. It is common to all human beings. But disbelievers do not take notice of this guidance, rather go a step further and make fun of it. As a result, Allah Almighty lets them be deprived of the tawfiq, the very ability to accept guidance. The effect is that they do not accept any guidance. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala makes clear everything in the Holy Quran by even by giving examples. But disbeliever they make fun of the Holy Quran. That is why they cannot accept guidance from the Holy Quran. So in this verse, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that, O those who believe, do not nullify your charities by reminders or by harm, like the person who spends his wealth to show off the people and does not believe in Allah in the last day. And the example of the person who spends in the way of Allah for showment, or the example of the person who gives charity but later on reminds the people his favor or his generosity, or he causes people pain. It is like a stone, a rock on which there is a dust, then a heavy rain comes over it and it leaves barren. So this is the summary of this present verse. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu, O those who believe, La tubtilu sadaqatikum, do not nullify your acts of charity, bil manni wal adha, by boasting about favor, wal adha, and by causing pain, by causing hurt, kalladhi yunfiqu malahu ri'a an-nasi, like the one who spends his wealth to show off to people, وَلَا يُؤْمِنُ بِاللَّهِ وَالْيَوْمِ الْآخِرِ, and does not believe in Allah and the last day. فَمَثَلُهُ كَمَثَلِ صَفْوَانٍ, so his example is like a rock on which there is a dust. فَأَصَابَهُ وَابِلٌ فَتَرَكَهُ سَوَلْدًا, then a heavy rain came over it and left it barren. لَا يَقْدِرُونَ عَلَى شَيْءٍ مِمَّا كَسَبُوا, they have no ability to gain anything out of what they have done. وَاللَّهُ لَا يَهْدِي الْقَوْمَ الْكَافِرِينَ, and Allah does not give guidance to the people who disbelieve. Again, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu, O those amanu who believe, La tubtilu sadaqatikum, do not nullify, do not waste, sadaqatikum, your charities, your acts of charity, bil manni wal adha, by boasting about favor or by reminders, wal adha, and by causing pain, meaning bil manni, by boasting about doing people a favor, wal adha, and by causing them hurt. Kalladhi yunfiqu malahu, like the one who spends his wealth ri'a an-nasi, to show off to people, wala yu'minu billah, and does not believe in Allah, wal yawmil akhir, and the last day. فَمَثَلُهُ, so his example is like a rock. كَمَثَلِ صَفْوَانٍ is like a rock, عَلَيْهِ تُرَابٌ, on which there is a dust. فَأَصَابَهُ وَابِلٌ, then a heavy rain came over it. فَتَرَكَهُ سَوَلْدًا, and left it barren. لَا يَقْدِرُونَ عَلَى شَيْءٍ مِمَّا كَسَبُوا, they have no ability to gain anything, مِمَّا كَسَبُوا, out of what they have done. وَاللَّهُ لَا يَهْدِي الْقَوْمَ الْكَافِرِينَ, and Allah does not give guidance to the people who disbelieve, or Allah does not give guidance to the disbelieving people. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, Ya ayyuhalladina, O those amanu who believe, La tubutwilu, do not nullify, do not waste sadaqat. Sadaqat is the plural form of sadaqah. Sadaqah means charity, sadaqat charities, cum your charities. Or you can say your acts of charity. Bil manni, by reminders, by reminding the people of your charity. Wal adha, and by causing pain, by hurt, by injury. Kalladhi, like the one. Ka, like. Alladhi, the one. Yunfiq, who spends. Malahu, his wealth. Mal mean wealth, who his wealth. Ri'a annas, to show off annas to the people or before people. Wala yu'minu, and does not believe billah in Allah. Wal yawm al akhir, in the last day. Al yawm, day, al akhir, last. Famathaluhu, fa, so. Mathalu, example, who, so his example is kamathali, is like. Ka is kamathali, is like Safwan, a rock. Safwan means rock. Alayhi, on which. Turabun, there is a dust. Turab, dust. Fa aswabahu, fa aswabahu, fa, then. Aswaba mean came over or fall. Who it? Wabilun, a heavy rain. Then a heavy rain came over it, or a heavy rain falls over it. Fatarakahu, and left. Taraka mean left it. Who it? And left it swollen means barren. La yaqdiruna, they have no ability. Ala shay'in, over anything. Or you can say to gain anything. Mimma, of what kasabu, they have done. Wallahu, and Allah, la yahdi, does not give guidance. Al qawmil kafirin, to the disbelieving people. Al qawm, people, al kafirin, disbelieving, or the people who disbelieve. Again, ya ayyuhalladina, O those amanu who believe, la tubtilu, do not nullify, waste sadaqat. Sadaqat is the plural form of sadaqah. Charity, charities. Cum, your charities, your acts of charity. Bil manni, by reminding favor. Wal adha, and causing hurt. Then you give charity, then you remind him the charity you have given to him. Or wal adha, if you give charity to someone, then you cause him pain, you hurt him by different ways. Kalladhi, ka is like, ka like, alladhi, the one. Yunfiq, who spends, malahu, his wealth. Mal, wealth, who his wealth. Ri'a annas, to show off. Annas, to the people or before people. Wala yu'minu, and does not believe billah, in Allah, wal yawm, in the day, al akhir, last. It means the person who spends charity, gives charity, then he reminds his favor to the people or he hurts the people, his charity is useless, like the charity of that person who spends for the showman and does not believe in Allah and the last day. فَمَثَلُهُ, then Allah gives example. فَمَثَلُهُ, فَسَوْ مَثَلُهُ, his example is كَمَثَلِ, is like. Kamathal is like. Safan, rock, like a smooth rock. Alayhi, on which turabun, dust. Aswabahu, then aswaba mean falls or came out. Who it? Wabilun, a heavy rain. Fatarakahu, and and left. Who it? Swell, the barren. La yaqdiruna, these people, those who waste their charities by these actions, or those who spend their wealth for showment, la yaqdiruna, they have no ability to gain ala shayin, anything, mimma, out of what kasabu they have done. They will not be able to get reward from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Wallahu, and Allah, la yahdi, does not give guidance, al qawm al kafirin, to the people, qawm people, kafirin, disbelieving people, or to the people al kafirin who disbelieve. Kafirin is the plural form of kafir, disbeliever. Kafirin, disbelievers. Here, disbelieving people. So these are the meaning of these words.